Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly tutorial on how I created this smoky eye makeup look. So guys, if you want to see a detailed beginner friendly makeup tutorial on how I created this smoky eye and nude lips, keep watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, I'll start over with my brows. I'm making use of this brow pencil in order to line my brow. So guys, it's simple. Line the underneath of your brow, then line the above, and you're just going to fill it in. Coming to the front part, you're going to give it a little bit of a hair stroke. So guys, after drawing my brows, I'll go over to use concealer in order to outline it. So guys, I apply the concealer underneath of my brow and then above, then I blended it out. Okay, so guys, for my primer, I'll be making use of this Farsali Unicorn Essence as my primer, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. So guys, my foundation, I'll be making use of Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze. Okay, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. Okay, so guys, after applying it, making use of a beauty blender, I'll go ahead to blend it out. Okay guys, so guys, as you guys can see, this is how to blend out your foundation. You don't need to move it. Okay, you just need to like dab it all over your face or your skin in order to cover it up. And so guys, after blending out my foundation, I'll go ahead to highlight my face, making use of this concealer guys. And the areas of my face I'm highlighting are underneath of my eyes. Okay guys, my cupid bow, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead to blend it all out. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, you don't need to move the concealer, you just need to blend it and dab it into your skin in order to blend it out. So guys, after blending out my foundation, I'll go ahead to contour my face, making use of the cream contour stick. Okay, and those are the areas of my face I contoured, and I'll go ahead to blend it out. Okay guys, making use of a contour brush. So guys, after blending out my contour, I will use this Veroni Luxury powder, okay, in order to set my highlights on my face. Okay guys, the whole of my face. And so guys, after setting my face, I'll go ahead to make use of a contour powder in order to set the areas of my face I contoured. Okay, I'm just blending back and forth those areas, okay, in order to set it and blend it out properly. So guys, going over to my eyes, I'll make use of the same concealer in order to cover up my dark circles. Okay guys, And then making use of the sand loose powder I used, I went ahead to set my eyes on my lid. Okay, guys. And so, guys, I'll be making use of more 35O palette, and I'll be using this that color there as my transition color, guys. So I just need to blend it back and forth. I'll go ahead making use of this gel liner, guys. Okay, guys, I'll apply it on my lid. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, I gently placed it on my lid. And so, guys, after placing it to where I am on my lid, guys, okay, guys, I'm going to set it making use of the black color in the Morph 35O eyeshadow palette. Okay, guys, I just go over it in order to set it. And so, guys, making use of this color here, I'm just going to use it in order to smoke out the outer corner. Okay, guys, of the black eyeshadow there, as you guys can see. So, guys, I was going to make use of the black eyeshadow color in order to line my lower lash line. And then I'll go ahead to apply some mascara, okay, guys, on my lashes and also on my lower lash. And so, guys, for my highlighter, I'll be highlighting my face making use of this highlight, okay, guys. And yes, guys, these are the areas of my face I'm highlighting or I highlighted. So, guys, let me know in the comment section what videos which guys would love to see more, okay? And so, guys, I'll go ahead to apply some blush, making use of this blush color there. And then I'll just smile and apply it on the apple of my cheeks, okay, guys, while blending it out. And for my lip liner, I'll be lining my lips, making use of this lip liner. Guys, I just went all over my lips in order to line it, okay? And then for my lipstick, I'm making use of this YSL Beauty lipstick or matte lipstick, guys. Okay, guys, I go ahead to apply it. And then making use of a lip brush. Okay, guys, I'm trying to blend it out. And then I went ahead to line it give it a second line of my lips, okay, guys, with a lip liner in order to line it properly. And so, guys, yes, guys, this is a finished look. So, guys, it's very detailed and beginner friendly on how I achieved this smoky eye and nude lips makeup look. So, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Also check out my tutorial on how I achieve this protective style no ponytail. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.